Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making mouth-watering chips with a delicious chicken gravy that's gonna have chicken bits inside. It's gonna be amazing, let me tell you. Let's get started. Onion, roughly chop a carrot and a leek. Add 5 cups of water. When the water starts boiling, add all the veg. Crushed garlic, chicken breast cut into half. In it goes black pepper, salt. Finish it off with olive or sunflower oil. Give it a mix and let it cook for 25 minutes. Stock is ready. Turn off the heat. Pass the stock through a sieve. Don't throw the chicken or the vegetables away. Now leave the stock aside, and it can be used in different kind of stews, pies, etc. Remove the chicken. Shred it into thin strands using forks. Medium-low heat. Add butter. Shake. In goes the plain flour. Mix and cook this until nice and brown. Now add 4 cups of chicken stock. Give it a good mix and bring this to simmer. Add the chicken strands. Give it a good mix and bring this to simmer again. Season with black pepper, salt, mix. Finish off with dried parsley. Good mix again. Now just turn off the heat. Chicken gravy done. Serve it with whatever you like. Delicious. For the chips, Maris Piper potatoes. Cut a thin slice to make the potato stable on the chopping board. Take blanks, arrange, cut. Leave them in cold water to remove excess starch. The longer you leave, the better it would be for you and the potato. Remove onto your kitchen towel, dry them properly. Let's start frying, so add oil. When the oil temperature is around 130 Celsius, you are going to start adding the chips inside the oil and blanch the chips for 6 to 7 minutes. Make sure not to brown them. Once they seem dry and soft, remove them from the oil and drain the excess oil using a kitchen paper. Now make sure to leave them aside for a couple of minutes before we fry them again. Now turn the heat on high and reheat the oil to 180 Celsius. Now start adding the chips back into the oil and cook them until they are nice, golden and crisp. When you have this beautiful color, that means they are done. Now remove them onto a kitchen paper. Add them into a bowl. Thinly sliced spring onions, fresh red chili, a bit of red onion, cayenne pepper. Finish off with sea salt. Give this a good mix. Smells so good. I need to taste some sorry. So here you have my mouth-watering chips with the delicious chicken gravy. Hope you guys gonna enjoy this recipe. Please do share with your friends and your family. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this chips and chicken gravy. Put this gravy on the top. Bismillah. Wow. So delicious. Look at this. Wow. Chips are perfectly cooked. And the gravy is just amazing. Wow. Look at this gravy though. Wow. Double frying the chips, cook them perfectly. Make it for your mom. Make it for your dad. Make it for your family. Enjoy it. Look at this. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my video.